Job well done. Saved the customer thousands of dollars. Just because I'm so honest. 2014
A VVT-i,
Toyota Corolla. Customer states it needs a new timing chain. She took it to a shop and they said, hey, you gotta get your timing chain done. I rarely think that's the case. What we're gonna do is jump it, check for position like cam and crank positions. They probably might just need a tensioner, but the poor vehicle has been sitting here for a year because they've been too scared to drive it, unfortunately. Bing. Oh no.
Okay.
Start number 2. No!
Dang it.
Totally forgot jumper cable. So I'm gonna pull my battery out and throw it in there.
Look alive!
Let's take it for a quick test drive. See what she does. That does not sound bad. I guess that the guy was trying to upsell her. He wanted to make money. Classic. He said, I work at a body shop. I know what I'm talking about. Sir, no you don't. The end diagnostic is the timing chain tensioner, which is located there. We're also getting a bit of noise from the water pump as well. If you don't change your oil, it gets dirty, clogs up that tensioner, it doesn't do its job, makes a ton of noise. Thankfully for my trusty stethoscope, which I can extend, put on an object, put this end to my ear. This actually works really good because inside this it's hollow, and it's also good for pointing out issues.
Give me those coins.
Job well done. Saved the customer thousands of dollars. Just because I'm so honest. I also don't want to do a timing chain in the rain. So, happy customer, happy life. That's what they say.